welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show my indoor gardening. This is my picture, guys, and long time I don't make video really, and I love to make it today, especially for this flower, guys. Look at that, what a nice color, guys. It's not from my plant really. I buy this flower. This flower selection really nice. I'm trying to grow this flower from the plant. Sometimes works, sometimes not. Maybe I have to put here some aloe vera and cinnamon powder. This I at the moment I'm trying to do cinnamon powder and aloe, aloe vera, natural aloe vera for making plant from the root like that, guys. This is fig, dumur dal ang nilagay si cinnamon powder or aloe vera mazami dubayra salam. Cinnamon powder and aloe vera, natural aloe vera from my plant I put there. Let me show you, guys. Then look at that, in the dark I put, because sometimes sensitive plant are better to be in dark. This is cinnamon powder, some color little change, and I put aloe vera, natural aloe vera from my plant to make root. Put lots of things here. This is the aloe vera. From this I give one piece there, and they really, look at that, guys. I want to show this one. This is fig, Dumur, best fruit in the world, really. People really look at that. Fig, this is coming. Maybe this will not work because they have no root, just branch I put here. So it needs maybe time, 1 year or 2 years, then branch to plant, and then there will be fruits, of course. Look at that, very cute. When it was outside, it was like a sleepy. Means they're not growing; they just staying like a sleep. And there is my, today is January 2022, 7 January. Yeah, this is my chayate, guys. I don't put whole chayate. I just very cleverly, put the seed only. When little bit seeded, then I do this. This is my, you see, 4 chayate plant, and this is jackfruit. I don't know why jackfruit, guys, grow very well. Then when 1 year gone, then they are not happy. I think so. Then it bigger space, because I see root is very, look at that. Root maybe need more space. Look at that, guys. It's a little bit dark in my room. It's today not sunny day. Look at that, guys. I think so. I have to try in garden directly, so it will work. Also fruits and vegetables. I try too much, then I can't finish. Anyway, never mind, guys. My chocolate. Sorry, this is what, ice cream bin. It's growing very fast, looking very great. This is my orange. It is Jara lemon. No, this is not Jara lemon. Sorry, this big lemon. It's like a 1 kg plus, like 2 kg size. This kind of lemon, really. I'm growing indoor like this, so I feel more better that way. And there's more. It's quite dark, guys. Anyway, this is custard apple like this. This is pow tree. It's like a custard apple. Anyway, like, and this is pan, means bitter leaves plant. Especially for this flower, I'm making video. It's so cute color, guys. I can't believe it. I'll give some aloe vera here and cinnamon powder. Then I will try to grow this in the soil, I think. And look at this, my ghost chili, guys. Ghost chili. I cut the branches because sometimes when they produce fruits, they think my job is done, so they die. So I cut the branches not to produce any fruits anymore. Means when they make fruits or like make seed, their job is finished, they feel, and they die. So I am not let him die. So I buy this plant with 12 pound, the naga chili. So I'm trying to keep it. So next year, give me some ghost chili. At least my money should come back. This is I got the gift as a, this is chili, that chili. Maybe I should cut the branch. Maybe more safe and cut the branch because if I keep branch is not point, not be giving any chili. So if I cut the branch on the summer, they will give me. Mainly, I make video for this guys. So cute. And guys, yeah, this is me and my garden, guys. So and yeah, and also jackfruit here. Got jackfruit. I always grow lots of jackfruit. This is turmeric. No, what is this called? English, I don't know. Tetul, Bangladesh, Bengali word. Turmeric, turmeric, yeah, turmeric. I think so. Yeah, this name. And there's look at that another vegetables. English name I don't know really. Like a Krishna Kochu, that one. Krishna Kochu. Yes. Doing very well. And cactus, my lots of cactus. Cactus really, really fun, guys, because I don't do anything for cactus. Just some are die automatically, okay. And I just buy them again. And some are no need to do anything like a plastic. They're growing very good. This one, making another baby here. This is not bad. This is also good. And this is my, I think it's a red dragon, yeah. Growing very slowly. Yellow dragon growing very fast. That one, yellow dragon. Good, guys. From seed or from branch, they bring only. And look at this chayate, guys. I don't put whole chayate because why wasting. Chayate you can eat. Look at that, guys. It's little dog, guys. You can't see. And bring it close to me. Look at that. This chayate is coming. You see, yeah. And I cut like this, and slowly I cut very carefully so seed not hurt. I just make seed separate from these fruits. So fruits you can make salad, make cook, or you can do anything. I have 4 plant already, and also I keep it quite long time indoors, so seed become a little bit more stronger, and a stronger plant come. Then I put in the pot. Really, this how I mix chayate plant, and I have a outside one chayate plant, but it is die at the moment. I don't know it's come back or not, but normally people say it is come back because on Canada. In Canada or other country, they also grow chai the same way. Mm, they die in the winter and come back on summer again. So yeah, this is not bad. I tried it. And chai the leaves you can eat, chai the fruit you can eat, and also chai the yeah, root is like a potato. How much I know, I don't try, but leaves I try is nice, like a pumpkin leaves as a spinach we try and we like it. And same with so this is my gardening, indoor gardening today, like this, guys. And it's too dark, guys, and my light is not working today, so I'll make video again next week. Look, this branch automatically dropped, so I put the side in the side and then making like a new plant. How much I know is no problem outside. So in the summer I will try one because I have three plant system already. And this have two quite big plant. I'll put one outside, one inside because I don't want to take this too much. I just put half of this plant to check. Yeah, I know in snow they grow well, no problem at all. So I'll put outside. Still keep one inside. So you can use as aloe vera. You can eat juice, eat as salad. You can cook like this.